A peaceful view of ancient Greece. The Acropolis can be seen in the background. A long time ago, in ancient Greece, there was a man named Zeno. He lived about 2,000 years ago. Zeno was a rich man, but one day, he lost everything in a shipwreck. His life changed, and he started to ask big questions. What is important in life? How can people stay happy when bad things happen? Zeno moved to Athens, a city where many people loved to talk about ideas. He began to teach people near a place called the Stoa, a large, open porch. Because of this, Zeno's ideas became known as Stoicism. Stoicism is about staying calm and strong. It teaches that we cannot control everything, like the weather or what other people do. But we can control our actions, words, and feelings. Simple examples of daily life: someone smiling even when it rains, or someone staying calm when waiting in a long line. The Stoics say, focus only on what you can control. Accept what happens with peace. Always try to do what is right. After Zeno, many people followed Stoicism. Seneca, a writer from Rome, said Stoicism helps us live wisely. Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor, used Stoicism to be a good leader. Stoicism teaches us to live a simple, strong, and peaceful life. It started in ancient Greece, but its lessons still help us today. This version uses simple words to explain the history and ideas of Stoicism in an easy-to-understand way.